Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
Welcome back to Kids Can Cook. I'm Chef D, and boy do we have a treat for you today. We're gonna be making walking tacos. Stay tuned. All right, we're back, and it's time for walking tacos. Let's go over our ingredients. We're gonna have taco seasoning, green onions, cheddar cheese that's been shredded, of course, ground beef, salsa, salt and pepper, and a nice bag of Doritos. Let's put it together. The first thing you want to do here is make sure that you have a nice hot skillet because you're going to cook your ground beef and make sure that it's well done. You always want to make sure that your ground beef is well done. All right, first you want to get your skillet nice and hot and add your ground beef. Oh yeah. When you're cooking your ground beef, you want to make sure that you make it well done because, of course, this is Kids Can Cook, and that's a safe way to eat it for kids. Now that you have your ground beef scrambled and it's well done, you want to add some taco seasoning to it. And scramble it a little bit more. We can turn that off now, and I can show you how to build these amazing walking tacos. Take your bag of chips. We chose Doritos today, but you can also use corn chips or really any chips you like. Open the bag. You want to take it and you want to roll the bag down. Now, you're going to take your ground beef and you're going to pour it in your bag of chips. Next, you're going to add some cheese to your chips. Now you're going to add salsa. Green onions. And you're ready to enjoy your walking taco.
Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can